Caramba again by Comilfon, this time out of a mare by Balubé Durouet and Raimondo. Right out of Bridget, who jumped at the higher levels with Franz Josef Peppi Dahlmann in Germany. And even the grand dam of this Caramba is Cinemonda. She jumped with South African rider Cara Bianca Fru at meter 50 level. Was an unlucky start for Caramba and Vogel on Global Champions League. In Saint-Tropez they didn't have their best run, scoring 12 and 10. Sorry, so scoring 4 and 10. And then with his second mare in the GCL classes. This is though a very nice, tight and smooth turn, and a smooth run as well. That should put him ahead of Julien Anquetin. Vogel is now really going for it, and it's 23.93 to beat. And here comes the German with the first distance out of the turn, and the time is good. It's better, it's leading. It's 23.12 seconds for Richard Vogel and Caramba.